Hey, what's up everybody? So today is a day of maintenance for the FJ Cruiser. We've got the maintenance required light on. We are approaching, let's see. Yep, we're 3 miles away from 95,000 miles. This is a 2012 model, 2017 purchase with about 65,000 miles. So I don't drive it a lot, but it's 5 years now, 5 years later, and I put 30,000 miles on it. You can see on the sticker here that the last expected date for me to reach around 95,000 miles was November of 2021. Obviously 6 months later, I'm hitting that milestone. All right, now I will say that when I purchased the vehicle, they upsold me one of the maintenance packages. I prepaid for the scheduled maintenance, and I can't remember if it's X amount of miles or however many years, whatever comes first. And 5 years later, I'm still using that maintenance package. So every 5,000 miles, I've taken it in for an oil change, tire rotation, all that stuff. About to go head over to Toyota right now and get that maintenance done. All right, here we are at Toyota service. Gonna go drop this guy off, and I will check back when everything is all done. All right, I just came home from Toyota, and the service is complete. Here's the sticker for the next upcoming service. They are anticipating October of 2022 for me to hit 100,000 miles. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take this into 2023, but get this. So I had previously mentioned that when I bought the car, I purchased the prepaid maintenance program. And so I went home and took a look at my brochure to see what is covered. And basically, they offered a couple of different packages here. Here are the options here that the service manager upsold me. I declined a lot of them, but this was something that I felt that was of good value for me. I ended up purchasing the 4 years, 55,000 miles. Now, I purchased this car in 2017, which means that this would have expired in 2021. Or 55,000 miles. Now, clearly, I'm at the 30,000 mile mark, but I basically I've surpassed the 4-year mark. So the service manager showed me on the computer that the plan that I purchased actually expired last year in September of 2021. That was my 4-year mark. However, he also mentioned that Toyota gives you a 1-year grace period. So I wasn't aware of that. He was about to charge me for an oil change, and then I mentioned that I had the prepaid plan. And so he pulled it all up and mentioned that 1-year grace period, which is kind of nice. It was a nice surprise. Didn't know that existed, but FYI, you guys, if you have purchased the prepaid maintenance plan, then apparently there's a 1-year grace period. So my plan now is before September 2022, I'll probably take it in for my 100,000 mile, scheduled oil change, just to kind of take advantage of that final appointment that I can make, because that 1-year grace period. So I'm confident that if I don't take advantage of that, I'm going to probably not hit 100,000 miles until sometime in 2023. But I learned something today, and hopefully you did as well. So that's it for now, you guys. I'm really curious about how often you drive your FJ Cruiser, how many miles you have put on it since you've purchased it. I know a lot of your FJs have been purchased secondhand, and some people are trying to preserve the FJ's value by driving it less. I know it's not an efficient daily driver for a lot of you. This happens to be my daily driver. I just happen to work from home, and so don't put a lot of miles on it, but we definitely like the reliability of this FJ whenever we take long road trips. So this is our go-to car for any long trips. All right, so anyway, if you have an FJ Cruiser, let me know how much annual mileage you put on it per year. If it's a lot, let me know. If it's a little bit, let me know as well. Yeah, so that's it for now, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.